Hey there, future ethical hackers. Ever wondered what makes your computer tick or how websites stay secure or not so secure? That's where Kali Linux comes in. Kali Linux is like the ultimate toolbox for cybersecurity enthusiasts. It's a special operating system packed with tools designed to test and improve the security of computer systems. Think of it like a digital lock-picking kit. But instead of physical locks, you're exploring the world of networks, websites, and software. Don't worry, you don't need to be a tech wizard to get started. In this journey, we'll unravel the mysteries of some top hacking tools in Kali Linux, tailor-made for beginners like you. Ready to dive in? Let's go! First up, let's meet Nmap, your network's very own private investigator. Imagine walking into a crowded room. Nmap is like having X-ray vision, allowing you to see every device connected to a network. How does it work? Nmap sends out little knocks, packets of data, to devices on the network and analyzes the responses. This helps you discover active devices, their operating systems, open ports, like virtual doors, and even the services running on them. Want to try it yourself? Open your Kali Linux terminal and type twice. This command scans a common home network range. Nmap is super useful for network administrators to manage their networks and for security professionals to identify potential vulnerabilities. Ever wondered what happens when you send a message online? Whether it's a simple text, an email, or even a file transfer, the process is more complex than it seems. Your message breaks down into tiny data packets, each carrying a piece of the overall message. These packets travel through various network nodes to reach their destination. Wireshark acts like a microscope, allowing you to zoom in and examine these packets in detail. It's a powerful tool used by network professionals to monitor and analyze network traffic. Think of data packets as envelopes. Each packet or envelope contains a portion of your message, along with addressing information to ensure it reaches the correct destination. Wireshark lets you open and read the contents of each envelope as it travels across the network. You can see the data, the source, and the destination, providing a comprehensive view of network activity. You can see source and destination addresses, protocols used, and even the actual data being transmitted. This level of detail is crucial for diagnosing network issues and ensuring data integrity. To fire up Wireshark, simply type in your Kali terminal. It's a straightforward process that opens up a world of network analysis possibilities. Choose the network interface you want to monitor and watch the packets flow. You'll see real-time data as it moves through your network, providing immediate insights. Wireshark is invaluable for network troubleshooting, analyzing network traffic for suspicious activity, and even reverse engineering network protocols. It's a versatile tool that can be used in various scenarios, from educational purposes to professional network management. Understanding data packets and how they work is fundamental to mastering network technology. With tools like Wireshark, you can dive deep into the world of network traffic and uncover the secrets hidden within the data packets. Now for the big guns. Metasploit is like a giant toolbox filled with pre-built exploits. Think of them as digital skeleton keys that can unlock vulnerabilities in systems. But don't worry, it's not as scary as it sounds. Metasploit is designed to be beginner-friendly, with a simple command line interface and tons of documentation. To launch Metasploit, type in your terminal. From there, you can search for exploits, select your target, and choose a payload, what you want to do once you're in. Metasploit is used by penetration testers to simulate real-world attacks and identify weaknesses in systems before the bad guys do. Remember, always use it ethically and responsibly. Section 5. Burp Suite, a web hacker's best friend. Ready to dive into the world of web hacking? Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, having the right tools can make all the difference. Burp Suite is your go-to companion. This powerful tool is designed to help you identify and exploit vulnerabilities in web applications. It's like a Swiss Army knife for web application testing, packed with tools to intercept, modify, and replay web traffic. With Burp Suite, you have a comprehensive toolkit at your fingertips. Imagine being able to intercept the communication between your browser and a website. This means you can see exactly what data is being sent and received, giving you unparalleled insight into the web application's behavior. Burp Suite lets you do just that, allowing you to analyze requests and responses, modify data on the fly, and even test for vulnerabilities like SQL injection and cross-site scripting. These are common attack vectors that can compromise the security of a web application. To get started, download and launch Burp Suite. The installation process is straightforward, and you'll be up and running in no time. Next, configure your browser's proxy settings to point to Burp and start browsing. This setup allows Burp Suite to capture all the traffic between your browser and the web applications you visit. Burp Suite is a must-have for web developers and security professionals to build secure and reliable web applications. By integrating Burp Suite into your workflow, you can proactively identify and address security issues before they become critical. With its user-friendly interface and extensive documentation, Burp Suite makes it easy to get started, even if you're new to web security. So why wait? Equip yourself with Burp Suite and take your web application security to the next level. Section 6. John the Ripper, Cracking the Code of Passwords. Passwords are the gatekeepers of our digital lives. They protect our personal information, financial data, and even our social identities. Without them, our digital world would be a chaotic mess, vulnerable to anyone with malicious intent. But what if you forget a password or need to test the strength of existing ones? This is where password cracking tools come into play. They can help you recover lost passwords or ensure that your passwords are strong enough to withstand attacks. Meet John the Ripper, your password cracking sidekick. This powerful tool is designed to help you recover passwords and test their strength. It's widely used by security professionals and ethical hackers. John the Ripper uses various techniques like dictionary attacks, trying common passwords, brute force attacks, trying all possible combinations, and rainbow tables. These methods are designed to crack passwords by systematically guessing or using pre-computed data. Pre-computed hash tables, also known as rainbow tables, are used to crack passwords by comparing the hash of a password to a list of pre-computed hashes. This can significantly speed up the cracking process. To use John, you'll need a file containing the password hashes. These hashes are encrypted representations of passwords, making it difficult to reverse engineer the original password without the right tools. Once you have the hash file, simply run John against it with the appropriate options. The software will then attempt to crack the passwords using the methods you've specified. John the Ripper is a versatile tool that can be used for various purposes, from recovering forgotten passwords to testing the strength of your own passwords. It's a valuable asset for anyone concerned with digital security. While John can be used for legitimate purposes like password recovery, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Always ensure you have permission to access the systems or accounts you're working on. Remember, ethical hacking is about protecting and securing systems, not exploiting them. Use John the Ripper ethically and never against systems or accounts you don't have permission to access. This ensures that you're contributing to a safer digital world. Section 7. Social Engineering Toolkit, the Art of Human Hacking. Hacking isn't always about exploiting technical vulnerabilities. Sometimes the weakest link is US humans. The Social Engineering Toolkit, or SET, helps you understand and simulate social engineering attacks. SET provides tools for crafting phishing emails, creating fake websites, and even impersonating trusted entities to trick users into revealing sensitive information. To launch SET, type in your Kali terminal and follow the on-screen menu. Remember, use SET responsibly and only for educational purposes. By understanding how social engineering works, you can better protect yourself and others from becoming victims of these attacks. Section 8. Aircrack-Ing, the Wi-Fi Security Auditor. Ever wondered how secure your Wi-Fi network really is? Aircrack-Ing is a suite of tools designed to assess the security of wireless networks. Aircrack-Ing can capture wireless traffic, analyze it for weaknesses, and even attempt to crack passwords using various techniques. To get started with Aircrack-Ing, you'll need a wireless adapter capable of monitor mode. Then, use commands like to capture traffic and to crack passwords. Aircrack-Ing is a valuable tool for network administrators to ensure the security of their wireless networks and for individuals to understand the importance of strong Wi-Fi passwords. Section 9. Staying Ethical, Remember with Great Power. Congratulations, you've now had a taste of some powerful hacking tools in Kali Linux. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Always use these tools ethically and legally. Only practice on systems you own or have explicit permission to test. Never use your knowledge to harm others or engage in illegal activities. The world of cybersecurity is vast and ever-evolving. Keep learning, stay curious, and use your skills for good. Now go out there and become an ethical hacking ninja.